face, I don't recognize today.
Thanks, sweethearts.
Nyo, napaka-fresh. Macaroni soup. Hindi ko na kung makita nyo.
I'm looking at a face, I don't recognize today.
Good afternoon guys, hapon na. And kaninang umaga, ang pinagagawa nila ay karaoke, right kuya? And nag-PS4 sila and si Jan. And eto, nagsasayaw-sayaw. And hapon na, mag-spaghetti ako and wala kaming spaghetti noodles. So, where are we going?
Shopping!
Coles! Where are we going?
Shopping!
Where? Dito, magsha-shopping kami. Okay, wait. I need, yeah, flour. Plain flour, please. Not that one, not that one. Plain flour. Yes, that
And
one.
I'm getting some
Put in the
spum.
bag.
Doesn't count for me.
It doesn't count.
And I get some spum. Spum.
Yes, okay. Put the spam.
I just put
And get some for tomorrow
what?
to take to Nana's.
Why are we
Okay.
doing that?
I'm not sure.
We need vitamins.
Vitamins, that's from Tita Mel. Get some biscuits, huh? Auntie Mel? Okay, put in the bag, please.
What is that? Your Holly already chose it.
What's that?
So if we're staying
It's
at
alright.
Nana's,
Yeah.
if we could...
Kasi baka iwan namin sila bukas kila, Ma'am or Melissa. Kasi, hindi ko pa alam kung isasama ko ni Jan kasi si Jan meron siyang appointment sa Adelaide. Doctor's appointment. And sabi ko sasama ako kasi may mga bibili na ako sa Asian store. And ang tagal ko na kaya hindi nakapag,
Yes, this is what
shopping.
I need some Doritos and I'm gonna get... Mommy, Daddy!
We still have Doritos there, Kuya. We have to finish the salsa first.
Daddy! But for Daddy!
No, no, no. We already have chocolate. And get some drinks, Kuya. V8. What kind of V8 you want? Get tropical as well or breakfast. Wala na kayong drink?
Wait, Mom, can we bring this all to...
Nanas? That's why you have to get some for Nanas. Come on. And get some biscuits. And
We got...
eto, ayaw nila to. Hindi nila to nagustuhan. So, baka ibabox ko na lang to pag nag-package ako sa Philippines. Etong mga to. Si Holly. What's that, Baba? Alam niyo kung anong gusto niya. What's this?
Mom, this?
Ah, gusto niya yung sweet chili. Eto, ayaw nila yung sausage.
Pringles.
Not that one, that one.
Okay.
Hala, ang dami, ang dami.
Yeah, we need...
Okay, just bring out, no, just bring that one.
Okay.
Because you're gonna bring some for Nana, for your snacks.
Yeah. Oh, we could be at Animal.
Oh, it could be Auntie Mel's, but Auntie Mel, I think it's working.
That's enough. This is heavy.
Wait, that's not enough. Because you're gonna go to Nana nga. You have to bring some food. What? Bring this one, Zach. Okay?
Party pack.
What? Oh, wow. Gusto niya to. No, this is too big. Not that one. Oh, spaghetti. That's the one I need. Spaghetti noodles, Kuya, please. Oh, slowly. Slowly. What's that, Holly? Strawberry jam. We still have a raspberry jam there, Baba.
I don't like it.
You don't like that one?
You can hold just Holly.
Okay. Okay, we can...
No, I will save this when you make donuts. We need to put
Oh, gusto
strawberry
nilang
jam in.
gumawa ko ng donuts.
We'll put it back.
Request yan ni Kuya. She wants it. Okay. Okay, put it there.
And I was going to...
How about biscuits? We don't have biscuits.
Yeah. We got Pringles.
No, biscuits.
Oh. Hang on. Move.
Yeah, that one.
Yes.
Just one.
Yeah.
We have to finish that first, yeah.
For that.
You want that one, Baba? Okay, put in the bag.
Holly, remember?
Parang ang dami. Ito yung nabili ko pa to sa ano, oh.
Mom, look what
Sa...
Mom.
Ilagay natin to.
Holly wants some marshmallow. Where was this?
Marshmallow. Ito yung nabili ko to sa
Where was this?
shop.
Yeah.
Lagay ko na nga muna to dito.
Mom, where was this?
What's that? Oh, sorry.
Where was this?
I put this chocolate there, Kuya, please. Thank
What
you.
is it?
Oh, that's for mine. Ang dami yung nakuha today.
Why we just
diba?
one thing out?
Hoy, my spaghetti. Here, put it here. There's another bag here. Put it here. Okay, are you sure you're done? Isip-isip. I need soap for my dishes, kuya. The morning fresh. That one, the other one, the big one. Yeah, I need that one.
Mom, hold it.
Yep, I need that one. Wala na akong panghugas. And are you sure you have enough for tomorrow for nanas?
Let's get one more. Hey, I want my popcorn.
Si Sax, wala na kaming popcorn. Wala na kaming popcorn.
We might need one more.
What else that you're gonna bring at nanas?
Oh, I know.
Or Auntie Mal is working, so I'm not sure because Auntie Mal is working.
You need this.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Come on. Magluluto na ako ng spaghetti. Come on.
Oh, that's a lot of stuff.
I know. Go, go, go. Tapos na mag-shopping. Was it fun?
Yeah. This
Yes?
is so heavy.
Is it heavy? Okay, Papa.
Heavy.
Is it heavy?
Mom, are we gonna take 2 bags?
Huh?
We're gonna take 2 bags.
Where? Nanas? Oh, slowly, Baba. Slowly. Good job. Come on. It's alright. Come on. Nagpapainit na ako ng tubig para sa spaghetti noodles and si Kuya. Ayan. Ilalagay niya na yung mga biscuits doon sa lalagyan. Ubus na kasi. Ubus na. Okay, good job. Yung package ko nasa labas pa. Mahigit ano na yan? Mahigit 1 linggo na ba? Or 1 linggo na? Basta matagal na sila dyan sa labas. Buksan ko na. Siguro wala na yung ano. Alam nyo na. Wala nang V. Buksan ko na kaya yan. Eto, nag-gloves ako. And meron ako ditong kutsilyo. Yung hindi naman namin to ginagamit. And meron akong wipes na yung Dettol. So, buksan ko na tong package.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away. We could take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. I know your mom.
So, ito yung laman ng isang box. Meron na 4 na box. Ito, halos kasabay ito nung in-unboxing ko sa inyo na Gentle Monster. Yung suit ni Yoon series sa Cross Landing on You. And ito yung kanyang suit na mga accessories doon. Ito yung Swarovski. Hindi ko lang kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko, but yeah, ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung, ano siya, meron siyang silver tsaka rose gold. Ang kinuha ko ay silver kasi mahilig ako sa silver or white gold. So, ito yung Moonsan na earrings. Ayan. So, ito doon ni Yoon series. Ito yung earrings and yung isa ay, ano to? Basta pare-pareho lang siya. May necklace, may Eto isa rin to yung isang earrings pa. So, bali 2 earrings yung kinuha ko. So, ayun, makikita nyo na lang to pag sinuot ko. Hindi nyo masyadong makita. Ayan. Kasi, ayan, basta yan. So, 2 earrings and eto yung kwintas. Eto yung munsan. Ay. Nung pag-search ko nito, ang sabi ko, Yoon series accessories. And eto yung mga lumabas. So, eto yung necklace, guys. Ayan. Baka mahaba na to. Na-adjust to. Ayan. Na-adjust to, guys. Ayan. So, katerno siya nung earrings na una na pinakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Silver to. And meron siya. Ayan. Basta pag nasuot ko na ito, makikita nyo na lang. And eto yung last. Wala to. Hindi ko to nakita ang suot niya. May ano ba? O, alam ko may. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya yung cuff na. Yes, eto. Yung bracelet. Yung cuff ba? Ganyan lang. Oh. Ayan. So, yan. So, 4 pala. Hindi 5 or 4. 4 lang. Akala ko meron din kasi siyang ano. Meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung kinuha ko yung sing-sing. Meron tong sing-sing. Wala ata. Hindi ko yata nakuha.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba.
What are you watching?
This is my accessories, Baba.
I like it.
You like it?
You can have 2 necklaces.
Pwede siyang habaan, pwede siyang liitan.
Mom,
Ayan.
I have 2 necklaces.
Why not?
Only
And-
1 necklace.
Nasaan yung, ano, yung earrings na,
Mom, what are you doing?
what? I'm vlogging, Baba. So, ito yung earrings na isa, oh.
What's this,
Nasaan yung
Mom?
isa? Gusto ko yung isa,
Mom,
yung
look
katena nito.
here.
Yeah, wait.
I'm
Nasaan
gonna
yung
open it.
Andito naman kasi yung...
Mom!
Yes, baby.
I
Wait a
open
second.
this.
So, eto, oh.
Wow, that's so pretty. I like
You
it.
like it? Hindi. Ayan.
Wait, do I find this?
Sana makita niyo. So, ayan siya, guys. Oh. Wait, Baba. Where's the other one? Yes. Do you want one?
Yes.
You have your earrings.
Wait, I still have a new one.
Mayroon silang ano.
Dreaming
But
in your brain.
Hindi ko alam kung ba't di ko
Ma,
kinuha yung
Mama.
ano, yung...
Dreaming in your brain.
Ayan, oh. Pwede siyang...
Mom, they're my fight.
Ayan, guys,
I
oh.
want my fight those.
No, it's too big for you.
Nah, this is a little bit.
And, yung isang package ay Derma...
Mom, I
Ano
don't
yung
know.
Beauty Derm. Tapos, meron pang isang package na Beauty Derm. Wait, Baba. Eto. So, ito yung set na ginagamit ng kapatid ko. So, umorder din ako.
What?
Baba. So, ito yung Purify, oh. Yung ginagamit ng kapatid ko. So, tingnan ko kung baka update ko kayo, baka matanggal yung ano, yung brown ko dito. Tapos, ito naman, ano nga ito? Underarm. Kasi yung kilikili ko hindi ganun kaputian. So, itry ko to kung ano siya, kung kikinis ba siya. Kung kikinis tong kilikili ko. So, yun na guys, yun yung aking mga in-order. So, parang, ano na ako, parang para lang buang kay Yoon series. Kasi ang ganda, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. Wait, baby! Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo yung maganda yun. No! So, ayan. Tapos, yung spaghetti ko, tapos nang lutuin. Ito na yung, tapos ko nang lutuin pala yung spaghetti, guys. Ayan na yung sauce and yung noodles. So, ito yung aming dinner. And yan, so, linisin ko lang to. And, tingnan nyo. closer. Ito kasi nandito. Ayun
And look
guys.
at, this is Mom's book.
So, ayan yung quintas. Pwede mo siyang habaan. Pwede pa siyang iksian. Tapos, ito yung... Ayan, ang ganda ng earrings, oh.
I love the earrings.
Yes.
Mom, can I have 2 necklaces?
Unasan yung isa, Baba? And ito yung isa, oh. Wait, Baba. Ayan, oh. Oops, mahulog kayo. Baba, mahulog, ah. So, ayan. Yung ano lang, kulang na lang yung sing-sing para terno lahat. Ito ang cute, oh. So, yan. Asikasuhin ko muna yung dinner ng mga kasama ko dito, guys. Ayan, lilinisin ko tong mga kalat ko. Hoy, Baba, pinakaalaman mo na yung
I'm
aking...
gonna put this.
Okay, okay. Mamaya na lang, guys. Pero pakita sa inyo, per item ng Swarovski, mayroon na paper bag. Meron akong 3 and isang malaki dun sa kwintas. And ito yung laman ng ano, beauty derm. Maliliit lang pala siya. So, parang 3 weeks lang ata ito tatagal. So, ayan. And meron akong serum, yung gold. Ayan. So, isi-shake lang siya. Tapos, ito yung laman ng puti sa kilikili. What's going on there? Tinakot daw siya ni kuya niya. So, ito yung sa kilikili. So, wag ko silang paghalu-haluin. Tapos, ito yung sabon. Tapos, may cream din yung sa kilikili, guys. So, ayan. So, yeah, linisin ko lang to and pakainin ko na yung mga alaga ko. So, ito na yung dinner nila. Boys, girls, tea time. I-close na namin yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog namin for today, guys. Nahanap na nga ako. Thank you. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, guys. Be
safe.
Bye. Sak.
Bye. And
Sa kuya.
watch Daddy.
Night.
And you watch Daddy and Holly and Mom and Cloy and Cloy take
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause